Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook egg whites. First, carefully separate the whites from the yolks, ensuring no yellow bits get into your bowl. It is super important to use a very clean, grease-free bowl and whisk. Even a tiny bit of oil can prevent your whites from whipping properly. For the best volume, let your egg whites come to room temperature for about 30 minutes before you start. This simple step makes a big difference. Once your egg whites are ready, start whipping them on a low speed, then slowly increase to medium-high. To help stabilize them and achieve better volume, add a tiny pinch of cream of tartar or a few drops of lemon juice after about 30 seconds of whipping. Keep going until you reach your desired consistency, whether that is soft peaks for a delicate mousse, firm peaks for a fluffy omelette, or stiff peaks for a beautiful meringue. It is all about timing. Now let us talk about cooking them. For a simple pan fry, heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat and lightly grease it with a tiny bit of cooking spray or oil. Carefully pour your whipped egg whites into the pan, creating small, fluffy clouds or a larger patty. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they are beautifully golden brown and completely set through. They make a fantastic, light meal. Cooked egg whites are incredibly versatile. You can gently fold them into your morning omelets or scrambles for an extra boost of protein and a wonderfully fluffy texture. They also make a fantastic, light, and healthy side dish, perfect alongside some fresh vegetables or a slice of whole grain toast. For those with a sweet tooth, remember they are the star ingredient in airy meringues and delicate soufflés. Enjoy experimenting with them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.